counting. Skip counting is the way to count the numbers after skipping more than one. Skip counting by 3. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 28, 3, 6, 9, 12. Skip counting. Descending order. When the numbers are arranged from highest to lowest, they are said to be in descending order. For example, 20, 12, 8, 3, 1. 10, 9, 7. Drag the numbers in descending order. Correct! Hindi counting. 1, 6 है. Ordinal numbers. When objects are placed to tell are similar to the numbers you have learnt. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th was in second place, and so on. Write the position 7 rabbits in a row. Wrong. Right. 4 students are holding their marks. Write their names in the positions. Wrong. Addition. Suppose you have no toffees. So you can say you have 0 toffees. Your mother. Addition. Click on 5 plus 2 equals to. Correct. Addition. Select the question and then click on the answer color. Right. Subtraction using figures. In subtraction with figures, you can cut the number of figures in a box. Cross 3 balls, 1, 2, 3. Now count the remaining balls. These are 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 5 minus 1. It's correct. 2 minus 2. Right. Patterns. See the sequences of numbers. First shape is a circle. Drag from the options to complete the pattern. Right. Measurement. The units of measurement used in the earlier time were span, cubit, feet, etc. For measuring distance, time. Activities in the morning. Data handling. How many circles you can find in the given figure? Correct. Click to wrong. Right. Click on any number for that. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Select any. 4 twos are wrong. Right. 7 tens. Count without counting. How many eyes a puppy has? Yes, 2 eyes. How many eyes 2 puppies have? 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to. Correct. In this exercise, write the numbers after addition. Poor. In this, skip. In this, write the missing numbers. poor. Select right. Select wrong. Right. Wrong. Click on any right. Wrong.